welcome to my channel. This is me, Emily. For those of you who are new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And I hope that on the very end part of the video, you will give this a thumbs up. So for today's video, guys, we will be doing another unboxing, or not really unboxing because I've already unboxed the package, but we'll be doing a review and first impression of another Michael Kors bag. So this time, guys, I got myself a Michael Kors extra small printed logo backpack. Again, it's a backpack. And I did a unboxing before, and a lot of you really put out a comment, questions and stuff. So it seems like a lot is really interested with Michael Kors bags. So right now I decided to make a review regarding this bag before I will use it. Anyways, Michael Kors bags or stuff, even if they are way lesser when it comes to price compared to other luxury brands, their quality is really good. I can really speak for myself because I have owned a few bags from Michael Kors, and I have noticed that their quality, their build materials, they're really great. Of course, you still need to handle it with care, but other than that, just the quality itself, the material itself, you can really say that it's really built in a really great way, or it really has a really good it really has a good quality. So this one, I got it during Christmas sale, and in this bag it has a printed luggage tag, and I really find it so cute, so fancy. It seems like a lot is going on with the bag. So right now, this one, I'll be removing everything. And before we start, I just wanted to let you know that the sling or the string at the back is also removable, just like the first backpack that I have unboxed before. And so you can also make it like a sling bag or however you like it. But anyways, let's just start on the video. So I'll just be removing all of the stuff just so that we can start filming. And Michael Kors bags, guys, they are really cute, really pretty, and just something I'm really a fan of, I can say. So, oops. So here is the bag, guys, and the bag also comes with a dust bag, as we all know. But anyways, I just wanted to give you a heads up. Not all of the Michael Kors bags comes with a dust bag. So if ever you ordered online and it doesn't come with a dust bags, you can email Michael Kors. I'll be leaving the link down below, or their email address, and you can ask for a dust bag. Because it has happened to me before, guys, that one of my Michael Kors bags didn't arrive with a dust bag. So I have emailed them and they have sent it to me for free. So yeah, just to let you know. Okay, so here is the bag, and the straps can be adjusted from 28 inches up to 38 inches. So it really can fit any like body type. So for me, I'm really so small, so I don't really want bags that is so huge that it will look like it's eating me. So I just wanted something small, but I don't want something which is really so tight on my body. I just want it a bit loose. So I'm really happy that this one can be adjusted. Yeah, can be adjusted it depends on the length that I wanted to. So it has a front zip pocket, and it also has a back pocket over here, which is really good because let's just say you're going somewhere and you will be busy looking at stuff and you wanted to secure some of your things, then you can put it here at the back and really put it inside. So if ever someone will open your bag, you would really feel it. And it's in the back, they won't really notice that there is a zipper because it's also brown. So I didn't even notice it at first, not until I read the description about the bag. So here you go, and I like that it has a strap here. It's just so cute. It reminds me of a Victoria's Secret bag as well. They usually have something like this, but this is just so nice. And then it has two zip pocket here in front. So one is here in the bottom, and just so nice. Wait, I'm confused. Okay. Okay, here it was open all along and has a lot of papers inside which you need to get. There you go. Okay, so here is the front pocket that you can put, like, let's say keys or your lip gloss or some small stuff, card holder. There you go, and it's really nice, super nice. And then the other one is here inside. Here, this is how it looked like inside, and you have a pocket, a little pocket inside which contains cards and stuff. I don't really remove my MK cards, I just let them sit there. Yeah, this is how simple the bag is. There you go. This is quite, it's not big, but it's bigger than my mini Rhea bag, was it? I forgot what it's called, but the first bag that I have unboxed, this one is way bigger because that one is a mini size and this one is like extra small. I don't know what's the difference in the description, but I can really see the difference in size. And this is how it looked like. It's just super cute. And right now, guys, I'll be giving you a closer look. So that's it, guys, for our unboxing. I hope you had fun watching this video, and I hope I was able to help you out decide if you will get this bag or not. But for me, I would really recommend this bag, especially if you are a light traveler and you just wanted all your necessary things with you, like for example passport, your lip gloss, your wallet, your car keys and such. This is really like a bag for like an on-the-go bag, so I would really recommend or suggest that you guys should get it. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that you will give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in my next one. Bye.